So I sit here staring at my CPU die, what is it, IHS for one of my Epic servers, and I decided that, oh, you know what? Now's a good time for, I don't know, maybe a pointer or two. Okay, so I'm gonna ramble on a little bit. I was initially not going to make a video, and then I was thinking, oh, I should have made a video about this. This is my Dynatron, right? It has served me well. It's actually not broken, although it is, yuck, caked with dust. That's not a fault of the cooler, it's the fault of me, okay? But, because Dynatrons use these bastards, that's a Delta fan. They make one hell of a lot of noise. So, decided to purchase this. Let's see, you can see it. That's an Arctic. It is a 4U cooler. It is one of very few that will fit TR4 or SP1, or I'm sorry, SP3 socket. But I managed to find one on eBay that was unopened. A rare find indeed. But now we're in a dilemma because I'm a dum-dum and didn't check to see if I had enough thermal paste on hand to do the job. Also, there's another dum-dum, and that is the person who packed thermal paste with the Arctic cooler, a TR4 SP3 cooler. What you see here is not because I didn't clean, not because I didn't clean it. It's because I attempted to use the thumbnail-sized syringe that comes with the freaking cooler to cover an SP3 socket. It's not enough. No, and the splotching right here, that's me attempting to spread it, hoping I could make it work. No, I can't make it work. So now I have to overnight a few vials of thermal paste, and now I gotta wait. And this server is my Jellyfin server. Yeah, lots of hard drive hookups and stuff. Anyway, there's 12 drives in this system. It's got a whole bunch of movies on it. I have the Intel Arc, what is it? Whatever the hell it is. Whatever the hell it is, I don't know. I don't know. An A750. I wouldn't say it's totally useless for gaming, but it's definitely, you're not going to be running a lot of AAA games with this thing. I got it because it was cheap. Don't remember how much I spent, but I wanted to use it for video transcoding. So that's the only reason why this thing is even in here. And I may, while I'm waiting, see if I can get some networking cards in here. I currently have this thing here. You probably can't see it too well. Oh, yeah. This is my HBA. And then the other one tucked into the abyss here. Here, you can see it right here. Yeah, so that's a 40 gig networking card. But I kind of want to put another one in there. I don't know. I'm weird like that. Anyway, life lesson, make sure you have the tools on hand. Make sure that if you know you're going to be changing out a freaking cooler, especially on something this big, that you have enough thermal paste on hand, or any at all for that matter, because what comes with it, even if it's brand new, is not going to be enough. So, anyway, that's my rant for the day, and yeah, we'll see you whenever I decide to post another video. Good day.